beautiful. Got ghosts. Ghost out here. Gang, that's my crew. Yeah, y'all already know what I do. Yo, stay sturdy with my crew. Stay sturdy with my crew. Yo, yo, yo. When I pull up, go boom. Yeah, I'm flying past you. Yeah, the dash in 200. Yeah, I'm gone. Yeah, I'm gone. Yo, I'm gone. You tryna race me? Yo, you dead wrong. Damn, bro. So today we were with Trey. It's been a minute since we rode with Trey. He just got his bike back. I don't know if y'all remember a couple of videos ago when I got my tires done. His bike was in the shop, in the back of Tony's garage because it wasn't starting. It looks like we got his bike going now. Look at it. Got the black and red like anime. Alright, let's go. Welcome. Y'all, if y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. It's your boy Moto Loso. Make sure y'all join the Moto Loso gang. Join the Moto gang, man.
Here, right now, but you just woke up. So we'll still hit the cycle gear and meet him when he gets here.
Alright. So basically we gonna head over to Cycle Care in Tacoma, Washington and meet up with some more boys. We gonna get some pictures, hopefully, of your favorite R1 Dreamy. We'll see how that goes. Got some good shots of Trey on his new bike. Dang, I should have got my GPS going, no cat zap. We'll just chill over there anyway. Hopefully. Like a fire. right, we in cycle gear. I don't like this. Y'all gotta relax.
You're the minority.
Y'all gotta relax right now. Too many Honda boys out here. Honda.
Put it in there? Put your shit in there?
Why you don't got one? Why you didn't get a toast exhaust? Why you didn't get a toast exhaust?
I couldn't justify spending $800 on it.
I'm gonna put my back like that.
Well, you guys, now we know what happened to our camera. Front camera is gone. Only got like a day of footage. So if you're wondering what happened to it, if you drop this off your bike, it's gonna be completely destroyed. Just so you know. Twisties for y'all. In this traffic, and it's tragic. Well, let's get this orange. Ooh. Man, they be tucking their license plate like crazy on these CBRs. When they got the undertail exhaust. Look at this. I guess there's no real place to mount it. So they got like the flames coming off that bit. Shit fire. Not gonna cap. And then they both got the toast exhaust on there. Pretty nice, man. Shout out to the Honda CBRs, man. Where am I? Wow. I love the beach smell. Alright, y'all, got some flyby footage for you guys. Hope y'all enjoy it.
Yo, Vanessa got the sauce.
We got Alcott Beach. Woo! Beautiful. Got ghosts. Ghosts out here. Got Lawrence's CBR600. Austin. Ooh, you see the flames on it. You see trays. Don't mind that. Two bros. Everybody got the toast. There you got it. You got the Space Needle. If you, as you zoom over here, we got the Seahawk Stadium and then T-Mobile Park. And you got this beautiful ship out here. You got the skyline, you got the rocks out here. It's just, you know, nice.
out here thinking they photographers and shit.